Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off all keyboard sounds on the LG LM K300. So the first thing you're going to do is go into Settings. Now go to Sound. It says Volume and Ringtone. Scroll down. Now turn off Dialing Keypad Sound, LG Keyboard Sound, and Touch Sound. To turn them off, you're going to flip the switches to the left. Now go back, scroll down, go to System, it says Update Center, Language and Keyboard, and Backup. Go to Language and Keyboard, go to Manage Keyboards, and then Gboard. Now go to Preferences, scroll down, and under Key Press, you're going to turn off Sound on Key Press. To turn it off, flip the switch to the left. Now you can go out of the settings, and I'm going to open a note here to show you guys that I have no sound on my keyboard. So that's how you turn off all keyboard sounds on the LG LM K300.